Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing the October Ipsy giveaway winner in this video. Just going over the prizes. Unfortunately, it's a lot of skincare. So I'm gonna go through and see who wanted skincare because I don't know, there wasn't a lot of makeup to give away, but I am giving away this Très Chic, whatever this is, powder stick. So that I'm going to give away. Also this dewy cleanser or whatever. Also this eggplant mud mask. Also the sheet masks. And then the melt away whatever, because a lot of people are saying they want to try this, so more power to you. I will let you guys try this. And then I was looking for the infamous lip balm, but I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. And the infamous lip balm, where I dropped the F-bomb about the lip balm. So I'm gonna put the giveaway winner on the screen here. So congratulations. Please get in touch with me, however, to give me your info so that I can send you your prize. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'm gonna send you also the Ipsy bag, and yeah, I think that is it. And enter my November giveaway under the November Ipsy unboxing. Let me know, do you guys think I should keep getting these Ipsys? I mean, I don't know, they're kind of pricey, like $50 and then another $26. That's kind of a lot to get a bunch of stuff that I don't want. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Happy holidays everyone. Congratulations to the winner. I'm gonna go through and see who wanted a lot of skincare, because this is a lot of skincare. So so yeah, and hit me up, the winner, so that I can get your info and send you your prize. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of the Glitz Glam fam. Till the next video, bye.